Alrighty, Roo. It's your boy PFS Tib with Deep South Trading LLC. So yesterday, on the 29th, was not a good day. I was down pretty much around 1600. Anyway, made about 500, brought it back down to 11 something. Today, let's see what we got today here. All right, so today we made 1119.56. I accidentally got in this trade here because I was done trading. I was at 1166, but when I seen I was still on my Lilu account, I got out. So, all right. So the NQ, I didn't do very well today. I traded mostly YM. NQ down 209.48. The YM made 13.29. Did pretty good on it, so I'm excited about that. All right, let's look at our stats. Gross profit was 22.38, loss 11.19. Commissions were 175, profit factor of 2.0. Max drawdown was 531. 43 trades. It's not exactly 43 because I do a 3-lot trade and a 2-lot trade, but for some reason Ninja likes to count each contract that you take as one trade. 0.47% profitable. 34,000 a month is what you could expect to make if you could do this every day, so that wouldn't be bad. Might be able to live off of that. Alright, let's look at some trades here. Alright, so I'm going to put this chart and this one together because here's a little chart I'm experimenting with also. I think I was taking those trades around 9 something this morning. That is not the one I'm looking for. Got the wrong one. There we go. Okay. Alright. Still not the one. There we go. This is the one right here. Alright, sorry about that. Alright. Let's make sure we got our markers on. Okay. Alright. Took a lot of trades in this area. Okay. I'm sure y'all can see that though. Alright, this chart's a little bit better. You can see the trades a little more clear. So we'll look at it too. Alright, so this one I was going in with 3 contracts. Let me pull up that this trade tab. Let's go back to our trades. There's it NQ, YM. Make sure we're on the right thing. Okay. Let's get that out of the way. This is something me and a buddy's been working on, so alright. So I got short here. I prefer if I get the arrow with the red background. We came through SD1. Here's SD2. Looks like I took some stop outs here. I went short, got stopped out, but I do move my trail stop pretty quick on there. Got some more trades in here. This was actually right after the open. This is set to Eastern time. Came in here. Got some really good trades around 935. I'm talking like $300-400 on those trades here. You can see when they give me an error, I'd go ahead and get in there. So take some stops, but like I said, I trail it. And what it does, if you look at my ATM on this, I'm doing a 40 tick stop loss, which I pull back right away. First target is 24, 48, and 96. And then after 24 ticks, it starts trailing. So if I think that the trade's going to go the other way, sometimes I just go ahead and I close it out, just take my profit, so, and roll with it. All right. So from around 9:30, well, 9:25 to around 9:40, took a few losses, but that's some $100 and something losses per contract on that YM at 9:34. Not real sure. Not sure. For some reason, I decided to take a long in there. Why the hell I would do that, I have no idea. Because this was all short territory. Oh, I was probably on this one here. I took the long when it came up, but I should have known better than that. I mean, we're not breaking new highs, and we're still under the SD1, so it tells me we're probably going to trend some. And if you look at the chart, we trended quite a bit down, so we turned green. I started getting in, took some longs here, and I think that's probably about it. Yeah, 942.50 I think was I'm sorry, let me see what that was. 943.36 is my last trade I got out. So, but let's take a look at this chart. I'm using a Ninja Rainco. Using some MACDs and CCIs and other things along with it, just as a reference. So I would have taken this short, wouldn't have got anywhere. Actually, I don't know if I'd have taken this short. I'd rather the MACD lines to be above up here. So, but it is a short signal. We just didn't go anywhere. Got a good short here, but the background is still green. Better short would have been here. I really like this one here because we're rejecting off the SD1. I mean, this one's good too, but you got stopped out. Well, what I like about here is my CCI across my MACD lines. These little stars would have given me a line down as a confirmation that we may continue down. Here my CCI is starting to turn green coming up. I'd have been cautious on this one. And we are close to SD2 and the low of the day and the previous day's low. Alright, so now we're getting in some green territory. I like this, the way we broke down and came up. Probably would have taken this, would have taken that one. You know, and I can scalp these for like 10 ticks. So 72 to 82 got a plenty. 3 contracts, that's 30 ticks, that's $150 at a time. You know, could have done that all day long. I mean, we can start to see prices moving up. I might have stayed in there a little longer. We're above the SD1. Tells me we're going to trend for a little bit above it. And we do. So we get up to SD2. No, that's VWAP. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's VWAP. We break down off the VWAP. Just wait a few minutes. I mean, once we get here, you're looking at 9:58 to 10:01. You're not talking long. And then boom, you get a short signal. This is a bunch of crap right here. It's a good way to lose some money if you're not careful. So you can see our 8 SMA is kind of flat. It's not really doing anything with the CCI, so you need to be careful. Alright, here we go. Come back down to SD1. We'll break here. I'd have probably gotten a short around here because we didn't have hit the dots. Come on down. We're back on that SD1. Which way we're going to go? Here, I might have taken a long here because my MACD's up. CCI is going up. We broke the 8 right here. May have gotten in on some of this action here. Probably would have took a short here. Wouldn't have got nothing out of it. So I do have a W pattern here. I do like these little W patterns. If you scrunch up the chart, you can see some W's and you can see M's. M's I usually look for shorts. W's I look for winner. Here's a W. You can see it boom, 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 boom. You know, here's an M. I mean, like I said, I mean, they don't all work. Some of them do work. So this time here, it's kind of quiet time. I don't do a lot of trading in this area. This one, I would have definitely taken this long here. I mean, we moved up, pulled back a little bit, and bam. More than likely, I would have taken this off the SD1. Wouldn't have got far. 393, 413. You got a few ticks out of it. We break below. Basically got a little M pattern here. Would have went short. Got some good runs in the afternoon. I mean, you could have got 2 or 3 entries out of here. 1 entry. Probably would have got chopped up. This one would have kept you in the trade. You got stopped here, went long here, down at target at the SD1, broke through, could have took another trade. So, good day. You know, I also been looking at this on the NQ. Let's take a look at some of the trades in it. I don't know what happened to my scroll bar for some reason. It's not on there. Still experiment with the bar size. I'd like to find something different. Alright, here's a few trades I took pre-market. Those I actually won on those. Some of them anyway. And I may have taken these off the 40 range also. Don't know. A little short there. Looks like I made about $55 on them. Some little scalps. Probably would have got stopped out on that one. Would have made some money here. May have gotten in here, but I know for sure I'd have got in here and I'd have got in on that one. Probably would have got in on this one, would have gotten stopped out. Probably would have got in when it turned green. We reject the SD1. These are trades that I really need to get better at, is rejecting the SD1. Let's see, that's at 932. If you look on the 40 range, that's right, 932. So let's see, SD1, we're right there at 932.21. Oh, that's right here. Then we broke above it, and then again at 936. This was a really good trade there. Which is this area here. Got several entries where you could have scalped or just rode it out. Like I said, this is the 8.4. I think I need to go with something a little larger. I'll look at it some more. I mean, maybe a 16.8 even. That way, that'll keep me in the trade a little longer. Yeah, here. Not as much noise here. You know, and if you do get stopped out here, once you get a red, you know, you get a green and a red bar close, you get in on this next one and just ride it down again. I mean, SD2 is going to be your target. Got a W pattern. Winner, chicken dinner. And even if you wait till it breaks the top here, you get in it, ride it up to SD1. Boom, another signal. We go flat a little bit. I like that area. Boom, we break the MAC Daddy. We're above the 8 SMA. This 8 SMA is an overlay on the Woodies. It's not the 8 SMA from the chart. It's from the actual 14 CCI. So, some good trades there. Some other good trades here, like this area. Lots of green. Yeah. Like I said, I'll experiment some more next week. I think this was that trade I got in by accident. I'll experiment some more. Like I do like this. We break the 30. We come back. Boom. Katie bar the door. So. Alright guys, if y'all got any questions, shoot me up. I also have a free Discord. If y'all want to chat or anything, get on it. Let me know. I'll send you the link. Alright. Looking forward to next week. It's the end of the quarter. Let's see what happens with this market. It should be